Welcome everyone to today's video. So in case you are new to this channel is all about gardening, and right now we're into small space gardening, balcony gardening, container gardening. So this channel will teach you that you don't need a whole lot of space to grow your own food. You can use whatever small space you have. You can grow in containers, and you can grow at least a small amount of food. You don't have to buy everything from the market. So today I'm going to show you guys how I planted this basil. This one you are seeing here actually is my second harvest from this plant, and I planted it on my balcony. So I'll show you how I went about planting it from seed. It's really very easy and not stressful. So if you're interested to see how, keep watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So I started by collecting the seeds of the basil. So this one is the one that went to seed last year. You can see it is very dry. So just went to the garden or somebody's garden and plucked it. So when you rub it between your fingers, then the black seeds will pop out. So that's what I'm doing right now. So that's how you can source for seeds, or you can buy. But then over here we have it available. So you can just cut from the ones that went to seed last year. So make sure you rub it open so that the seeds are exposed. So this is what the seed looks like. It is quite small and it is black, but not as small as something like amaranth plant. See what it looks like. I hope people can see it. Even as I'm collecting the seeds, I can perceive that distinct aroma of basil. So you know, over here we're using mostly in our stews. So even if you don't know the seeds, from the aroma you are perceiving as you remove the seeds, you can tell that it is basil. So I'm gonna head to collect the seeds. So the next thing is to broadcast it into my container where I've already put in my potting soil. And if you want to see my organic potting soil mixture that is cheap and easy and all organic, you can check out the video on my channel or in the description box below. So guys, as I said before, you don't have to break the bank to grow your own food. So this is my container. You can see I'm using wooden containers to grow my plants on my balcony. So I filled it with the potting soil or the potting mix. So I'm broadcasting the seeds right now on top of the soil. So after broadcasting it, the next thing I'll do is to water it down. That is it. Once you plant anything, make sure to water it down, especially when you broadcast something, so that wind doesn't disperse it and then insects or birds don't come and pick it up. So I'm watering it down just lightly. So that's it. So guys, this is day 3 after the planting. You can see they're already coming through. So basil is one plant that doesn't take long at all. So guys, this is 2 weeks later. You can see they are coming along fine, looking pretty and very green. So it's evening right now, so I'm going ahead to water them. And this is a month later. You can see how big they have become. So very soon I'm going to cut off all the tops and use it for my stew so that they will grow even more. So today is topping off day, so I'll just use my scissors and snip off the tips. You can see the parts that I'm cutting off. So it is called topping off. When you trim your basil back like this, it encourages you to become very bushy and grow even more. And then what you top off is just like harvesting. You don't have to throw it away. So as I'm topping off, I'm using it to cook. So this is topping off slash first harvest from my basil plant. You guys can see it, and as I'm topping off, I'm removing all these bad looking leaves. And guys, while topping off, if you notice, you don't just cut anywhere on the stem. You cut at just above the junction of leaves. You can see where those two leaves join the stem. Just cut above. You don't just cut anywhere, maybe like in the center. No, at the junction of two leaves, where two leaves join the stem, just cut above. It will encourage your basil plant to grow and become very bushy. So guys, you can see how bushy they have become already just a week after topping off. So what I'm doing right now is actual harvest. I am harvesting. I want to cook stew, guys. So I went into my garden to harvest basil. So this is how bushy they have become just a week after I topped them off. So as I'm harvesting it right now, if I come back here in a week's time, you will notice that they have grown even more. So this is how I'll keep on harvesting and harvesting until the growing season ends. So guys, you see, I don't have to go to the market to say I'm buying basil or I'm buying herbs to season my food. I just have it on my balcony. Whenever I want to cook, I'll pop in and take what I want. So I encourage you guys, try and grow something. Just get a small container and grow it in. Even if you don't use all of them, you can gift it to your neighbors and friends. So guys, I hope this video has encouraged you to start your own small garden or container garden. See you in the next one. Bye.